Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a submarine.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw the body of the submarine like this. Then I draw its front window. And 3 others here. I draw the top with a periscope. And finally, I draw its propeller on the back. And the sea like that. I love it!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, light purple, a little dark blue, and pink. Finally, I add a little brown on the ground for the sand. And I draw wavy lines around it. And I use different shades of blue. This will be the water. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.